got major blues. Another suitcase in your hand. I hope you brought your walking shoes, 'cause it's quite a ways from what I understand. So rack 'em up, big blonde. I think I could have been your man. We watched the surfers as they whip on the strand. Daytona Sand. Long hair's low eyes, I like your style. We both ain't got a job. I haven't seen my band in a while. At least nothing seems to last that long. So hit the road, big blonde. Take me home to Mississippi. It's not that I don't care, it's just hard to make a plan. But Daytona Sand. I'm not mad for what it's worth. You always take the dare, that's what I learned. I'm getting tired of this earth, but they say some stones are better left unturned. So what you say, big blonde? Is that another whispered play? I've been around long enough to know you can't trust a man. But Daytona Sand. M-I-S-S-I, S-S-I, P-P-I. M-I-S-S-I, S-S-I, P-P-I.